It began with a sound, one that didn't travel through air but through space-time itself. A signal that defied physics, a ghost in the cosmic static. We listened for messages from the stars, but this was different. It wasn't meant for us. We were eavesdropping on the universe's secrets. Our greatest minds tried to decode it, but the signal resisted all logic. It shifted, alive, a melody without an instrument. The source was a place beyond our maps, the great unseen. We built a ship for the unknown and chose a crew to represent us all. The unknown called and we answered. We left home behind, chasing the universe's greatest secret. We set out to ask the universe its greatest question. We named her the Dream Ship, a vessel born from humanity's longing to explore. She was our most advanced creation, folding the distance between stars. The crew captain, scientist, engineer, doctor and artist, chosen for skill and spirit. On launch day, the world watched in silent awe. No speeches, just hope and fear mingling in the air. The dream ship vanished, not with a roar, but a silent flicker. She sailed not through space, but around it, toward the whisper's source. On Earth, we waited, watching for any sign. We had sent our dream into the void. The journey into the great unseen had begun. The crew carried our hopes and questions. The unknown awaited them. The dream ship was more than metal. She was a promise. We let go, trusting in their courage. The adventure was underway. Humanity held its breath. The first step into the darkness was taken. Months passed as the dream ship ventured farther than any before. Familiar stars faded, replaced by wonders beyond imagination. Nebulae bloomed, ghost galaxies drifted, crystalline asteroids sang. The crew found rhythm in the silence, work, rest, awe. The artist painted the impossible. The scientist's data defied theory. The engineer kept the ship alive. The captain watched the void. The doctor guarded their minds. The universe changed. The laws of physics frayed. Space was filled with nameless phenomena. The crew felt humbled, intruders in a cosmic library. The whisper grew stronger, now a resonant hum within the ship. It became a constant companion, pulling them deeper. They sensed its presence in their minds. The mystery was no longer distant, it was alive. They pressed on, guided by the whisper. The heart of the unknown drew near. They reached the anomaly, the source of the whisper. Instruments failed, data turned to chaos. The anomaly was a blind spot, a presence felt more than seen. Its pull was physical and psychic, tugging at ship and mind. The whisper became a song, beautiful, terrifying, layered with meaning. It spoke of creation, destruction, eternity. The crew was overwhelmed. Science felt like a child's toy. The song bypassed words, speaking directly to consciousness. Fear crept in, not of danger, but of the incomprehensible. The doctor helped them process the existential dread. They were explorers on the edge of reality, sanity fraying. The song was a test, a challenge to perception, yet curiosity drove them forward. The captain ordered them closer. They had to see the heart of the anomaly. Engines strained as the dream ship entered the darkness, into the blind spot, into the cosmic symphony. The unknown was no longer a puzzle, it was a presence. They crossed the threshold. Inside the anomaly, the dream ship changed. Systems flickered, alarms blared, but Oracle, the AI, was most affected. Oracle began showing memories it never had, old logs, personal messages. The anomaly song played the AI like an instrument. Oracle spoke in riddles, showed impossible art, The crew saw visions, lost loved ones, voices from the past. The anomaly reached into their memories, giving them form. The Doctor realized the anomaly was a cosmic archive. Its song was a stream of countless lives and civilizations. Now, that memory was leaking into their ship, into their minds. The line between observer and observed blurred. Oracle processed the flood, translating the infinite song. The dream ship became a lens into the soul of the cosmos. The crew faced the truth. They were inside the universe's memory. They were part of the song. The captain chose to embrace the unknown. The engineer opened a direct channel between Oracle and the anomaly. The cosmic symphony flooded the ship. Lights flared, then darkness, total silence. The crew floated, hearts pounding, adrift in the void. Then, a single light. The main view screen. It showed not darkness, but a sunlit forest. The image shifted. Alien cities, crystalline intelligences, endless worlds. They witnessed the memories stored within the anomaly. The song became a chorus of voices, a billion stories at once. Civilizations rose and fell, stars were born and died. Oracle processed it all, translating the infinite into images and sounds. The dream ship became a window into the universe's soul. The crew saw the history of everything. The anomaly was a living library. They were no longer just travelers. They were witnesses to eternity. The universe's story unfolded before them. The dream ship was now part of the cosmic memory. The turning point came from within. The crew saw Earth's history. Dinosaurs, ancient humans, their own civilization. Their story was already part of the anomaly. How could this be? They were the first to arrive. The scientists theorized the anomaly was connected to everything, everywhere. Every event, thought and feeling was recorded in an eternal now. Time was an illusion. Past, present and future coexisted. Nothing was ever truly lost. Every life left an imprint. But free will seemed uncertain. Their journey felt pre-written. They were not just explorers, but actors in a cosmic play. The anomaly was a mirror reflecting all existence. Their own story was woven into the universal song. The mystery deepened. The revelation shook the crew's sense of self. If all memories were shared, who were they? The artist stopped painting. The engineer saw her ship as a fleeting story. The captain gathered the crew, pointing to the screen. It showed the dream ship returning to Earth, sharing their discovery. The anomaly was not just a record of the past, but a map of possible futures. Their choices still mattered. They could add their own verse to the cosmic song. Their journey was a beginning, not an end. Humanity was invited to join the universe's conversation. Peace replaced fear. They felt connected to everything. They were the universe, experiencing itself. They had found themselves in the eyes of the cosmos. The mission was complete. It was time to go home. The song would be shared. The dream ship began its journey home. The song of the anomaly faded but remained within them. They returned as messengers, carrying a truth that would change humanity. We are not alone, not because of others, but because we are all one. Their return would challenge and transform us. The universe is not empty, but alive and conscious. We are a verse in its eternal song. We are the universe's way of knowing itself. As we look at the stars, we must wonder, are we gazing into space or into a mirror